Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is ABHILASH, my Twitter next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. And my dear friends, this is the hourly chart of gold in front of us. So as expected, gold was crazy on Friday. Not only we had PCE data, but it was also the last trading day of the month. As expected, there were fireworks. Market made a high of 345354, ultimately closed around 3447. And on the hourly chart, we can clearly see the market is bullish. But there are lots of things that we need to discuss. So let's discuss one by one. This is the daily chart of gold, and as we all know, overall the trend of gold is bullish. There is no doubt about it. But the problem was that gold was stuck in a range for quite some time. For last couple of weeks and months, gold was stuck in a range. Whenever gold was trying to cross 3450, 3500, gold was facing serious selling pressure. Gold failed and it was always coming down, because of which, as a day trader, we were facing problems. Trend of the market was changing frequently because on higher time frame gold was stuck in a range, and gold is giving us hopes again. Yes, giving us hopes again that we may see gold going above 3500. Okay, and if it crosses 3500, we can expect the trend of the market to continue. But uh, the Friday's move, okay, obviously very much hopeful, okay, but still we do not have the confirmation yet, because gold needs to cross 3500, then only we will get the confirmation that finally gold is out of the range. Until and unless gold crosses 3500, the pressure, the uncertainty on gold will remain, because still it is too early to predict that finally gold is going up. Gold is going for an all-time high, because we expected here also, but gold failed. Okay, so let's wait and watch. Okay, let's expect that we will see a good trend. Okay, I'm not asking for all-time high, but at least we need a good trend in the market so that we can trade with less risk and good peace of mind. This is the 4-hour chart of gold, and here we can see a clear picture that gold was choppy. Gold was struggling for a direction. You can see gold was always going up, hitting 342040 area, and it was coming down. This is a typical choppy market, and in a choppy market like this, okay, it is very difficult to trade. And as a trader also, we face problem in trading gold for the last couple of weeks. So if you are planning to take a sell position, okay, if you have already taken a sell on gold around 3440 or 3450, around 4050, or if you're planning to take a sell, you can go for it, but okay, it is a little bit risky. As I already said, that still we do not have any confirmation about all-time high or gold going over 3500. So taking a sell at 3440, 3450 is okay. Okay, I won't say very bad decision. It's okay, but it is also highly risky at the same time. So if you have taken a sell, you can continue to sell position, but the market opening is going to be very important. After the market opening, if you see that there is a sudden jump on gold again, gold is continuing the upside, then you need to control your emotions and please exit from the sell position. Otherwise, there's a high chance that you will be blowing your account or your account will be in danger. Please do not be emotional and play with your hard-earned money. And on the hourly chart and the 15-minute chart, we can clearly see the market is bullish. So if you're a day trader, then obviously following the trend of the market is the best decision for you. But if you're a swing trader, then still I will say that okay, you need to wait for some time for a better clarity. But if you have an ongoing buy on gold, you can hold your buy position with your SL below 30. Okay, if you have, again I'm repeating, if you have a buy on gold, you can continue with your buy position because the market is bullish, but you need to be careful because gold is still not out of the range on the daily chart. Okay, so you can put your SL below 3430 and then continue. If market continues the upside, okay, you can hold your buy position or trail the stop loss. And those who have a sell position, do not be emotional, exit at the right time. Okay, if market drops or if market shows reversal after the market opening, well and good, you will be happy. But if the trade goes against you, okay, please exit. Okay, that's my request. And my dear friends, if you're still not a part of our free Telegram community for emergency updates, feel free to join. The link will be in the description. There are lots of scams also going on in my name, so please be careful. I also post my analysis twice a week in this group. And my dear friends, if you're looking for daily updates, analysis, sessions, support from my side, if you want to WhatsApp with me, then you can be a part of our WhatsApp community. The joining process is simple. You just need to open your trading account under our referral. You can open your account in Vantage, or you can also choose Star Trader. Both are tier 1 licensed brokers, safety wise top notch. You'll find a link in the description. And if you have an existing account, you can switch to our referral. Okay, once you're done with the account opening and verification, just WhatsApp to this number. We will add you to the group. Now let's discuss the trading opportunities for Monday. Okay, so if you're a day trader like me, then obviously you need to go with the flow, and trend of the 15 minutes time frame or the hourly time frame is the most important for us. And this is the 15 minutes chart of gold in front of us, and we can clearly see the market is bullish. If you are wondering gold itna upar kyun gaya, why gold went up so high, okay, then you need to see gold climbs are 4% in August. Gold is up by 4% in the month of August. Gold climbed to 3425 per ounce on Friday, nearing April's record of 3500, as is set for a second weekly gain as investors sought refuge amid uncertainty over US monetary policy. Concerns that political pressure on the Federal Reserve could accelerate interest rate cuts have bolstered prices, with markets largely pricing in a 25 basis point reduction in September. Okay, and you must be knowing that whenever there is a rate cut, there is a pressure on the chart of dollar, because of which we can see gold going up. And moreover, there is also some pressure on Federal Reserve going on right now from the US government. So things are not very normal right now for the Fed also. So this is the reason why we see gold going up so high. Okay, and the trading opportunities. So as a day trader, obviously the market opening is going to be very important for us. If market continues the upside, or if market consolidates, then also our strategy will remain the same, which is buy at dip, means buy at retracement. Buying at retracement is a simple strategy, or one of the most simple strategy followed by traders all over the world. Okay, and also the safe trading strategy. So the market opening is going to be important. If you have a buy, hold. If you want fresh positions, wait for the market to come down, wait for the market to dip, wait for the market to retrace. So in this case, we have two levels. The best level, okay, is around 342324. This is the first support on the chart of gold, where we can look for a buy position. Why we can look for a buy position? Probably you have also observed that in a market like this, okay, the price action, okay, does a very fine job. We have seen hundreds of times. So here we are expecting the previous resistance to work as support, which is around 3423, 3424, around 2224. We have the best support. But the problem is that if the market is very bullish, chances of market coming down to 2324 is less chance come. So in that case, okay, we can look for an immediate level, and an immediate level is coming around 3435. Yes, not yes, 3435 is the next level, okay, where we can look for immediate support. 3435 is not a major level, so do not expect much, do not have high hopes. If you see market is coming down after the opening with small candles, means low volume. If you see market coming down with low volume, then only expect a support around 3435, because it's a minor level, not only FIBO 38.2% level. If market takes support, you can go for a buy position. But if you see that there is a sudden reversal, obviously daily chart is sideways, we cannot forget it. To be honest, I'm still not hopeful for all-time high. Okay, if we see the market is coming down with big red candles, then you can look for a buy around 2324. Okay, just forget about 3435, it is not going to work. Then simply just wait for 2324. Okay, I'm not suggesting any sell position here as of now, okay, because the trend of the market was very bullish. On Friday, remember we talked about selling around 40-50, remember? Okay, That is very risky now. If you have a sell, you can hold, but otherwise it's a very risky move. So considering the ongoing situation, buy at dip is the best strategy. So 34.35 is a minor level and 23.24 is a major level. Okay, and let's hope that we will get some good buying around these two areas. If market doesn't come for retracement, अगर market retracement के लिए नहीं आता है, we can look for a buy above 54.55. Means buy and breakout above this area. But as we all know, okay, buying and breakout is riskier, so do not go for a big lot size. Okay, go with a small lot size, and obviously volume plays an important role at breakout. If you see the market is going up at the opening but size of the candle is small, then just leave it, then just wait for the market to come down, because the same level will become the new support later on. When market will take support around 54.55, then you can enter at pullback. Yes, pullback entry will be much more safer. So the market opening is going to play a major role. Okay, volume, with volume or without volume. Let's wait and watch. And stay in touch with the news. Any update from the White House, okay, or from US, okay, will obviously have impact on the market, and we will see the effect at the market opening. Okay, so if market opens with high volume crazily, then okay, just go with the flow. But as of now, I'm still not expecting all-time high, because the road is not going to be an easy one for gold. Okay, let's wait and watch.